everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be showing you how to log into Instagram from your Facebook account. To learn doing so, keep watching the video till the very end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Start by going to your web browser on your computer and then type in www.instagram.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard, and as soon as you reach to the sign in page, click on login with Facebook. Now, you'll need to enter the username of your Instagram account and the password. Enter the username and then type in your password and click on the sign up button. And after you do that, you'll be logged into your Instagram account via Facebook. To save your info, click on Save Info, and that is how it is done. I hope the video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or a feedback. I'll soon be back with another video. Thank you for watching.